Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to delete your Botim account using your phone. First, open the Botim app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app is open, look at the top of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open your profile and account area. Now scroll down slowly until you reach the support section. In this section, you will see an option called Contact Us. Tap on Contact Us and a chat window will open. This chat is handled by a Botim support bot. In the chat box, type a message saying that you want to delete your Botim account. Keep the message simple and clear. After sending this message, the bot will reply with instructions and provide you with the official Botim support email address. Next, open your email app on your phone. Create a new email and enter the Botim support email address that was provided by the bot. In the subject field, type account deletion. In the message body, write a short message stating that you want to delete your Botim account. You can include your registered phone number if needed so they can identify your account easily. After writing the email, send it to Botim support. Once the email is sent, you just need to wait. The Botim customer support team will review your request. They may contact you to verify your identity before deleting the account. After verification, your Botim account will be deleted by the support team. Thanks for watching.